Hey there, it's Christina Daves with this week's Get Famous Friday PR tip. This week I want to ask you guys a question. Is your website ready to handle a media hit? That's a huge issue if it's not. I always use an example. I had seen a product on Shark Tank and I told all my friends about it, and it was on Good Morning America, their morning steals and deals, and their website crashed because they couldn't handle the traffic, and none of my friends ordered. They all got frustrated. So it's really important that you're ready for it. I have another colleague who was asked to be in O Magazine and she knew she couldn't handle it, so she turned it down. Huge for her business to do that, but knowing that the negative side of it could have been so much worse. So right now, get your website up to speed. Make sure it's ready to go. Make sure it looks like a website from, 2018, 2019, 2020 versus the 1900, 1999. And have it ready to go. Make sure it can handle the traffic. If you're a product-based website, make sure you can handle the orders, because you don't want the negative customer service that goes with it, the negative feeling, the ick when people go to your website and it doesn't load or they can't find out about you. So make sure your website is ready, and I know you're going to get publicity, especially if you follow our PR challenge at www.yourprchallenge.com. It's absolutely free. It's only 10 days. It's 10 minutes a day, and I will show you step by step how to get massive publicity, massive visibility for your business. So I hope to see you there, and I'll see you next week for another tip next Friday.